In this AI era, the thing that differentiates losers from winners is simply one thing. And that one thing is something that is very common, but a lot of people don't know about it. And the reason why they don't know about it is because they don't know about it. Now, that one thing is knowing what to automate and what not to automate. Now, AI can do a lot of things. AI can do a whole lot of things. If you have a Claude $20 subscription every single month, or maybe you have a $100 subscription every single month, you would have known by now that AI can do a whole lot of things. Now, for context, my name is Elijah and I'm a content manager for 7-figure brands. And currently, I'm the content manager for Search Guitari. With that being said, let's get into the video. Now, by giving you context, you should have known that every single thing I'm going to be saying in this video is about how to grow with content, how to get more clients with content. Now, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you should be automating right now and the capabilities of AI and what AI can help you do 100% and the things you should not touch. Now, I might not cover every single thing because there are a whole lot, but I'm going to be covering maybe 2 or 3 different things. Now, let's get into it. Number one is, before I give you number one, let me tell you a short story. So I created a swamp of agents to go help me grow on X. And I created a brand new X account, gave it to these agents and said, this is your X account, go do every single thing on this account. And currently that account is at 8 subscribers and over 300 posts have been posted on the account. Now, these agents handled it really, really good. And I was impressed because these are just AI agents. My effort was not in it. And now they've grown this account to up to 8 followers. And let me just tell you guys something. You probably think I spent a whole lot of money to get this result. Well, I only spent $5. And imagine spending $5 for 8 subscribers on X without doing any of the work. Just AI doing its thing every single day. Now, I have that exact framework down in the description. You can go download it, run it through Claude, and Claude will tell you how to set it up. You might need to do a little bit of technical stuff, but it's not so much. It's going to take you maybe like 10-15 minutes max, and then you're done. You can go grab it in the description. Let's continue the video. Now, the number one thing that you should automate to a degree is your research process. Just because AI now can now browse the internet. AI can go on YouTube. AI can go on IG. AI can go on X. AI can go read Reddit's comments and posts. So you should include AI in your research process just because it helps you a lot. It reduces the stress of going to scroll through all of these platforms. It reduces the stress of clicking buttons, all of that. AI can go do this research for you, give it to you in a doc, and then you just go through that doc. So you now see exactly what you want, and it's going to also embed links to those sites so you can easily click on the link and you see exactly what it's cited. And the inference is drawing from those things. So that is something you should actually let AI help you to a certain degree. But you have to go through it, you have to fact check it, you have to make sure that whatever it is the AI researched and is giving you is actually legit. Now, I'm going to be dropping a prompt of how you can get AI to go do research for you and also get you the links to all those sites so you can easily validate the research the AI did. The second thing you should let AI help you do is your scripting process. Now, you can give AI your entire story and it's going to help you structure it and maybe give you hints on how to go about it. Now, AI cannot write a perfect script just yet. And the reason for that is because whenever it writes this script, it always sounds generic. So when you come on camera and you're reading from that exact script that AI gave you, the viewers are going to sense that you're reading this script from somewhere and it's probably AI. And you don't want to give people that feeling in your videos. Trust me, if you give people that feeling in your videos, they don't trust your videos again and they won't come back for more. So AI can help you tie this story to this, tie this to this, tie this to that, but it cannot write you the exact thing you should be saying on camera, but it's going to give you at least a structure and a pattern to go about it the right way. The third thing you should definitely get AI involved in to even handle for you 100%. Like for this one, I do it with AI 100% because it doesn't really move the needle that much, is the description and transcription of your video. Now, if you post a video on YouTube and then you want it to have chapters, you can have AI go through the entire script with the timestamps and then come up with the chapters for you. AI is usually very accurate at these things in recent times. I've tried it. I'm a content manager for seven-figure brands, so I use it and I've cross-checked it 100 times and it's always good. So you can trust AI to do that for you. By the way, it's Claude I'm talking about. I keep saying AI, but it's actually Claude Code. So you can trust Claude Code for doing that for you 100%. So that's 3 of things you should allow AI help you do some heavy lifting. Now, one of the things you should never let AI come close to is your human instinct. Don't try to argue your instincts with AI, or don't try to tell AI, okay, I feel like this about this. AI is always going to support your instincts. It will always support your instincts. It is built to support your instinct. It's not going to argue it, and it's not going to tell you don't do it. So what you should do is, if you have an instinct about something, even if you are probably wrong, all you need to do is go do some little research and be sure that whatever it is you're thinking about, or whatever it is you're thinking about doing, is the right thing. Don't let AI come up with these feelings for you. Don't let AI come up with the thought process for you. If AI should come up with the thought process for you, it's going to be very generic. Trust me, it's going to be very, very generic. So you have to be able to look at something and say, oh, okay, I want to make a video about this. And then you can now go to AI and say, okay, I want to make a video about this. So how do I structure it? And the AI will now help you do the structuring and then help you tell you how you're going to go about the video and all of that. And then you don't need to follow every single thing the AI told you, because you have a certain way in your mind that you want the video to look like. All you just need to do is for AI to help you expand on what you already thought of. But if you go to AI and say, yo, I'm thinking of doing this video, please help me think, or help me come up with ideas about this video and all of that. Or you're saying, but if you go to AI and say, hey, help me come up with all of these ideas, I don't have any idea of what to shoot, I just want you to come up with ideas for me to shoot. AI is going to come up with generic ideas, the same ideas it gave you, that's what it's going to give to someone in Africa. And when that guy shoots the video and you shoot the video, it looks exactly the same. Or at least the core idea of the video is going to be the same. So you don't want to do that, trust me. Secondly, the thing you should not let AI get close to is the title and the thumbnail of your video. Now, AI can always come up with the kind of thumbnail you should use for your video, but you need some level of creative thinking to be able to say, okay, this is the thumbnail that can trigger someone psychologically to click on this video, and when they click on the video, they won't get disappointed by what they see in the first 30 seconds or the first 15 seconds. If you give this to AI to handle, just I'm going to give you guys an example. I use 1 of 10 to do some research, come up with some ideas, and then help me restructure my titles, right? But I don't go to 1 of 10, give it what my video is about or a summary of my video, and let it come up with the title. It's not going to perform. It's not going to work. Now, when you give 1 of 10 a title, it is going to give you like 4 different thumbnails, depending on how many you selected. But those thumbnails are usually very, very generic, and it looks like what every other AI can come up with. In fact, every other AI can come up with it. So it's going to be pretty generic, and you don't want that on your videos. So you need to have some level of creative thinking, or get someone who has that level of thinking to help you come up with a thumbnail, come up with a perfect title that can trigger people psychologically, because AI is not the best psychologist, and you need someone who has some level of psychological thinking or psychological brain to be able to know what would trigger people to click on that video and not get disappointed, because that is what packaging a YouTube video is all about. It's about getting clicks and fulfilling on the promise of why the people clicked. Okay, so that is the second thing you should not let AI come close to. Now, the third thing you should not let AI help you do is your decision making process. Now, there is something unique about making decisions. If you want to make a decision and then you try to use AI, make a decision, AI is going to make the decision for you. Unconsciously, you will not even know AI is making that decision for you. But AI will be the thing that would make that decision for you eventually. So if you want to make a decision, get all the data from AI and make the decision yourself. Don't let AI decide on what you should do, because usually the same thing they decided for you, that's what it's going to decide for someone else. That's what's going to decide for this other person. And all of you will have the same decision-making process, and it's just going to be chaos, like it is now all over the internet. Everybody's copying everybody. Once something blow up in a niche, you see everybody jumping on that and leeching on that and wanting to create videos like that just because it blew up for Imangaji or it blew up for Alex Emoji, so it's going to blow up for me. And then people just keep doing all of these things. It's because of AI. A lot of people are using AI the wrong way. So if you're a business owner or a founder in a business, definitely you need a content manager in your content team in order for you to rest from the chaos, so that you don't need to bother yourself so much apart from come, sit down, and shoot the videos while this person manages every other thing before you shoot the video and after you've shot the video. So this person will manage pre-production and post-production. All you need to do is come on the production day. That's it. So with that being said, I'm going to add one more thing that you should let AI do for you. And that one thing is let AI create an account for you and run the account itself. If you love having agents run around, do things, you can create a swamp of agents. Like I told you guys, I did one for X. You can replicate the same thing and just watch the growth. Give AI your story all day, every day. Tell it, okay, this is the calls I went through. Give it the calls, give it the transcripts and all of that. AI is going to take all of that and make tweets for you. And just make it known that this is an AI handle and then the AI is doing everything, because I think that is the future. AIs are going to have social media handles that they are going to be operating on their own and make the owners money, right? And I'm starting this so you can also jump on it, and see you guys in the future when our AIs are going to be interacting with each other, liking each other's posts, retweeting and posting their own content. Okay, so if you want a link to that in the description once again, and see you guys in the next video. Ciao.